Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart and welcome back to my channel. And I am going to be showing you the entire album that I made. This is part 2 of my explosion album. And so I tried to keep it kind of simple because it is got a little bit of a bulge on the side. So one of the things I thought about was making the lid out of a sturdier material. I use the same cardstock, but it's kind of a thin cardstock. So if it's not a thick one, you might want to consider using regular cardstock versus designer paper. It's not quite as sturdy. So at top of it, I just put this orange sort of hibiscus flower from Prima up on top. And then on the sides, I'm sorry, my camera is not flipped the correct way because I wanted to be able to show you guys a little bit better. So all I did was take from the paper pack the different cards that were in the paper pack, just kind of cut them and then put them on the sides there. And then that just became my decoration. Very, very simple. So when you open the album, take the lid off. Carefully take the lid off, and then it explodes. Wow, so cool. So starting with this one, they're mostly the same. I did do a different pocket on 2 of the sides, which I'm going to show you, and then the other 2 I left blank so that they could just have pictures. So the front, you can see, is a smaller one, and then some of them have this just a sticker there and a sticker here, but it's a little bit open in the back, so you could stick a picture or something else there. And then here is just a place for a picture or journal spot, and again, the underneath is open, so you have more space to put your picture. You can see it's all the same there. And then this one, each one of these is a little bit different, so I can show you that. But I used one of the cut apart from the paper collection and made a pocket out of it. And then I made a place for a picture. And then I just added this little spot up on top. You could just use it to sort of grab your tag, but also it's a little space. You could put a little something right there, the date or whatever. And then here, this one, I just, there's a little stopper here. I just put a couple of the cut apart cards that are, you could just put a picture on the back, or you can journal however you want. And then here, this one is just left blank. So on this side, it's very similar. It's got a little bit of a different picture. And then the tag topper is this flower. And then same thing on this one, I have what do I have on here? Oh, sorry, something completely different. I actually have this little book that I made. So it just has one of the cut aparts here, and then inside's a place for a picture, and then there's just a little journaling card there, and then that's the back. It just blended in so well. I didn't know what I did there. Here I did a little pocket, so this one's very, very cute. So there's a couple of little tags that were from the sticker pack, and I just tied some seam binding, and then I just placed this here, and then I realized I actually have another pocket back here, which I'm going to put something in at some point, but I forgot about that pocket when I was putting this together. So there's that, and then there's another place here, and you can go ahead and put pictures there as well. And then this side over here, it's similar, just a little bit different treatment of the cut apart. And then you've got your tag. This one says flip-flop. It's a flip-flop kind of day. And then I just have the cut apart here. That's a good place to put pictures on the back. And then this also has that same sort of pocket. I put a cut apart there. And then I put this here, which is just one of the journal spots. And then this side's just for a picture. And there's that. And then, let's see here. this one right here has this with this tag spot. And then for this one here, I made just a little tag, just a tag. And then it's just plain right there. Actually, it's, oh yeah, this is what I did. I put this fresh pineapple cut apart, and then you can just slip your picture right in here. And so that is my album, and it just folds up like this, and then you just stick your lid on there, and you have got this really cool album. So I think that I probably needed a little bit more space when I was placing my paper down, because it is a little tight right here. But, you know, with time, it'll probably fold a little bit better. But you can see inside that once you put your pictures, there'll still be space to put your lid on there, which I think is really important. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the part one, which is the tutorial. It's very quick and easy to make one of these with this particular tutorial. I used the Scrap Queen. She used measurements that were, you know, when they got transferred to inches, they were, you know, just a little bit hard to handle because they were kind of funky numbers. So all I did was kind of clean up those numbers a little bit just so that I could make it using inches a little easier. Otherwise, everything else was strictly her. She decorated hers beautifully. She used Authentique as well. But she used a Valentine's Day collection, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.